They are going to turn into zinnias. Here we go. Now we are going to put some compost in. First, we are going to go into this first one.
Okay.
Thank you. Don't worry if it goes anywhere, because we can still have some spares over if it goes into that one. Now we are going to press down the soil. If you got one of these special tools, it will be good to use them. Not too hard because they need a little bit of space because they're only like little baby seeds. These are the seeds, and this is the packet that the seeds came in. They are called zinnias. We will now put about that much, so it's about like that much, into
Which part?
sprinkle them around just so there isn't like a big clump of flowers. You now will go on to the next flower, like compost container. Okay.
And water them in.
Now we have put the seeds in. We will cover them lightly in compost. Here we go. Grab a little bit in your hand, not too much. Just lightly scoop some onto the plant. Pressing it down, not too much because we will need to add water. And then it will go too high. Okay. And there we go. Like I said, try not to put too much, otherwise it can go over the side. Under here. The next step is to water them. We'll put some water, we'll transfer it from here. Let's put that down over here. Let's put this warm water into here. So we are transferring it into our spray container. Don't worry if you don't have these. If you've got like any spray bottles, you could use that. But otherwise you could just use a watering can so it's not too warm. And here we go now to spray them. Make sure the compost is thoroughly soaked. On my watering thing, we have a thing where you can push it down to put it on there. Try not to make them flood, otherwise you won't be very good because they will be too wet and the seeds will not grow. Keep them in a dark place until the seedlings come through. When they've come through, give them much light. I have decided to keep mine in my shed, which is quite dark, and I will put a plastic bag over them until they appear. Here we go. Try not to press it down too much, otherwise it will soak through the water onto the back. That's it for your gardening lesson today. Until then, bye-bye.